Very good. Corn color is yellow. Cutting the tomato. Tomato color is red. Cut the tomato. Very good. Yes, nice try. You try again. Yes, my child. Cutting. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Clapping. And what is this? This is a grapes. Yes. Grapes. Cut the grapes. Grapes color is purple. Cut. Are you like purple grapes? Are you eating? Oh, you like corn also. Very good. Tomato also like. Very good. Okay. Cut the grapes. Very good. Clapping. Oh no. Are you eating corn? Do you like corn? Oh my God. Are you eating corn? Cut corn. Very good. Very good. 5 circles and 5 balls color. Pink color. Pink circle. Sky blue color. Sky blue circle. Red ball. Red circle. Orange. Orange ball. Orange circle. Sky blue. Red. Pink. Yellow. Yellow circle. Orange ball. Orange circle. This is sky blue. Are you got it? Are you enjoying? Yes. Say yes, Mama. Say G. G, Mama. Very good. A sky blue ball. Sky blue ball. But no. No, 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 no. This is all. Yes. Very good. No, no, no. Sky blue color. Put the sky blue circle. No, no, no. Put the sky blue circle. Very good. The next ball color is red. Red color, no. Which color is this? Red. Where is red? Yes. This is a red color. Okay. The next ball is yellow. Very good. Yellow color. Yellow circle. And the next ball is pink. Look at the pink color. Very good. Nice try. And oh no, where is pink ball? Oh yeah. Very good. And the next color, next ball color is orange. Orange. Very good. Very good.